A little frosty at the sawmill today. It was 7 below last night here. I don't think we'll be cutting any lumber today.